So it is 12th day of my daily uploading videos. As you know, I have taken a resolution. According to that resolution, I will upload daily videos on YouTube or on Instagram on any topic on which I can speak. Yesterday I have uploaded a video on a topic that was how our education is important in our social welfare, and my today's topic is how can we improve our English speaking with the help of watching English content like English songs, in English videos, or maybe English films. So you can watch my yesterday's video. So I am starting my topic that how can we improve, or how can we improve our fluency with the help of watching English contents. So it is a basic thing to learn any language apart from our regional language, because just like our regional language Hindi or maybe other, we just listen from starting. After our birth we listen our regional language, like my regional language is Hindi. So after our birth we listen Hindi from our neighbors, from our parents, from our grandfather, grandmother, and everyone. So listening is the most important thing for learning any knowledge, or for getting the ideas, or for acquiring any language or command over it. So it is the basic thing. For starting English content watching, we have to start with the contents on which we are interested in, because if we watch the contents about which we don't know something, and if we continue with the English content, like if we have never seen news in Hindi even, so how can we watch that news in English? Because we don't have an idea of watching news in Hindi, so in English it will be more boring. We can watch for 1 day, 2 day, or maybe 1 or 2 week, but we have to continue it. So we can't continue because we don't have some ideas, so it is boring. Don't watch news. We can start with the content in which we are interested. Like in our childhood we have watched many cartoons like Doraemon or Chota Bheem and all. We can watch them in English with subtitle, so we can be getting interested in, and we will continue this process for a long, for 1 month, 2 month, or maybe 3 or 4 month. We can continue as long as we can. We can also watch many serials like Telani Rama and all. They were also very we are very interested in all those also. So it was about the topic on which how can we improve our English with the help of watching these contents. Some people have interest in watching kabaddi, cricket. Nowadays Pro Kabaddi League is going on, and I think around 1 month it will be more continue. So we can watch that content, or we can watch that matches in English commentary, because we are interested in kabaddi and we are interested in cricket. But when we watch the commentary in English, then we will getting more interest, because we are seeing everything, we are watching everything what is happening, and the commentator is saying that he is relating all those activities. So it will be very easy for us to record or to memorize all those things in our mind, and this will be long lasting in our memory. But we don't have to see them only. We have to use these words, use their sentences, use all those vocabularies which they are continuing and they are repeating a lot. They will use a lot of vocabulary. We don't need to remember all those, because we can't do this. We are human, our memory is very short. So for this we have to only record, or only watch, or only write those words which he is repeating a lot. Means in a daily match he is repeating for 5 to 7 times, or continuously he is talking about. So we have to keep in mind that we should see that, we should watch that, and then write it in a copy or in a notepad. As you know that we don't carry our copy or our notebook all the time, so we can write all those words in our notepad or in our mobile note sections, because it's only a work of 5 to 10 seconds to type. Our typing speed is very well, so it's only 10 or 15 seconds work. We can do that. Write a English word, then its meaning after translation from Google, and do one thing before sleeping. We have to see these words. In a single day only 5 or 6 words will be there which are repeating a lot, so we have to only write those words, and before sleeping or after getting up we have to memorize. We just have to see them with our eyes for only once. It's not a very long process. We can also watch many contents like in YouTube. There are lots of millions of videos are available on any topic on which we want. So we can start with, I already told that we can start with the cartoons or some Netflix shows. We need not to take the Netflix subscription, because in Android phones there are many websites which gives all this content in English or in any other language, the content which are available on paid platforms, so we can get it free with the help of Google or any other browser in Android phones only, not in iOS. So in Android it's advantage, we can watch all these. So before watching them we have to think first. If we want to see any movie, then we have to do one thing, that first in Hindi, first all those actors which we are going to watch them in movie, and take a brief history about them, that how are they. For example, if we are watching some movie which is Hollywood, so these actors we don't know about them. If any Bollywood movie is there like Salman Khan, Shahrukh Khan, Hrithik Roshan and all these, we know about them, how are they, how is their acting. So for watching Bollywood movies we have to take their summary, that how many records they have gained, how many achievements, and how is their acting. So if we do this, then in the movie it will be very good for our concentration, and we will be very hurry to watch the scenes. We will not left the movie in the middle. And while watching contents, we need not to write all those words. As I said, while watching matches or watching commentary, what we did only 5 words which were repeating a lot. So in that movie also, actually in starting you can do one thing, or we have to do one thing, that we need not to go to Hollywood movies, because in Hollywood movies their accent is totally different. We will not be able to understand even a single word without watching this subtitle or subtitle on. So we have to do one thing, first start watching movies or contents which is created by the Indian authors, because when we watch the contents which is designed by the Indian authors, so when we design that content, they will think in mind that we have to make this content for most of our Indian peoples. Because if they talk in the American accent, in British accent, then it will be very difficult for us to watch this content along, and we will not be able to understand that content. So do one thing, we have to watch firstly contents which are created by our Indian authors, then we have to write some words like 5 or 6 words, then memorize all these words. After the 1 month or 15 days, 20 days watching contents which is created by our Indian authors, we have to go to Hollywood movies, because the film production or movies production is done a great level in foreign countries, not in our India. Our Indian budget is only like 200 crore, 300 crore, 500 crore maximum, but in foreign it's more than 1000 crore a minimum. I am not talking about the maximum. So when we watch the movies which production is done with a lot of amount, then the artist, their acting and graphics are very well. So we will be more exciting to watch these contents or watching regular contents. It will be very helpful for us, because if the movie is very good, then we will be able to watch more and more movies, and the interest will automatically getting generated with the help of watching the movies which are made with lot of or lump sum amount. So we have to watch Hollywood movies also, because movies are so far, their advertising and their filmmakers are too brilliant, or they have created a lot of movies. We can start with the Titanic, or lots of movies like Avatar is one of my favorite movie. You can watch that too. And there are also many movies, a lot of movies which are available with subtitle. Do one thing, if our English is poor or if our English is good also, like good from me too, then we have to do one thing, that we have to always own subtitle. And while watching movie, just think in mind that we have to not watch that movie for our interest. We just have to watch that movie for improving our English or any other language. So think in mind that we have to read all subtitles with our simple eye. Don't stop the video, don't pause that movie and watch the subtitles. Just with the help of their pronunciation, we have to go with the words, and with the flow we will be able to continue this movie with the help of reading subtitles. So at the end the movie will be totally explainable with us, and we will be able to explain this movie to anyone if we watch in any other language. So before starting movie also, we have to do one thing, that we have to watch its trailer in Hindi, and any audio we can listen with the help of our Indian authors, what is the film is about. So while we watch that movie, we will be clear in our mind that what are we watching and what is going to happen now, and this will generate our more interest. Yeah, it will damage its theory, but don't matter, we are just watching for improving our English. So for that we have to do one thing only, that watch the movie and write some words, 5 to 10 words per movie, and memorize these all words or just read these words. We don't have time to memorize, but we can watch movies or content because we are interested in. So it's good. By watching movies for 2 or 3 months, we can continue one movie in 2 days. We can complete it in 2 days only, means 1 or 1.5 or maximum 2 hours per day. We have to give this, then it will improve our English or any other language with the help of watching movies, watching contents. That will also be interesting, because average people use his mobile more than 4 hours. It's average. Many people use for 10 and many for 2. So 4 hour or 5 hour is average. For the people who are not working in office or their students, they will use their mobile more than 5 hours a day. So in our 5 hours we can use 1 or our 1.5 or 2 hours for improving our English. That will also help us, because nowadays English is getting more popular in India also. It's a medium of our conversation, and it's a common language in all our states in our country. Because if you go to south, then north, they don't know Hindi, they have their regional language. But in Bihar, in Madhya Pradesh, in Rajasthan, in Punjab, they can understand Hindi, they can do our conversation with us in Hindi. But when we go to the states which are down or up, like north or south, then we need a common language so that we can communicate with them. Or if we wanna go out of our country, in foreign countries, no one knows Hindi. Apart from the America and Bhutan, they know Hindi because they are our states, our country. They have get separated from us. As you know, in history we have read a lot that Pakistan was also our part, but it's now separated. So they know Hindi. We can talk them with Hindi, but who will go to Pakistan? We will go to America, then Canada and Dubai and all. So there only Indians know Hindi. The foreigners don't know Hindi, they know English or their regional language. So it is important to learn any common language, or the work of common language is done by English. So it is important to learn any language like English. Today actually I was not at home, I was out of my town. That's why I was unable to shoot the video at the day. So it's around 8 p.m. and I am shooting the video. I thought that I should skip the day and I will continue this process from tomorrow. But I thought that if I discontinue this work for only for a day, then I will be very careless and I will not upload daily videos. If anything happens, then I will think that one day is already skipped, so we can skip this day also. But for this I thought that I have to continue. Now it's 8 p.m. but I am shooting video with a phone inside turning on its torch, like you can watch it. So it's totally dark. That's why I am continuing my video with the help of only a single phone which turn camera on, and the another phone in which it's torch. So that's all about the video. You can watch this video total because it was very helpful. You can watch the video in which yesterday's video in which I have told about a lot of our Indian education, how our Indian education works, and why we need education for nowadays people. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.